Hello, in today's video, I want to show you how you can make a 3D book cover for your A+ content or any social media you want to do. This does not require Canva, and as of this recording, it is a free option. And just to let you know, I went to a trivia page and this is what I'm talking about. If you want to make a 3D cover for your A+ content, this will give you that, and it's pretty simple to do. So what you're going to need is go to diybookcovers.com/3D mockups, and you're going to want to have your cover handy. First step, you want to pick the design that you want. As you can see, there's several. Or if you have a group of stuff that you want to advertise, I probably wouldn't do this on A+ content, but if you want on social media or whatever project you have going on. So let's go back to single, pick this paperback, and then you're going to want to hit next. Now this part is easy, but it's a little bit tricky in my opinion. So you want to go to browse, and I took a screenshot of Freed McFadden's latest book. I'm not going to use this, of course, but it's just for an example. So once you hit browse, nothing's going to pop up. And the first time I did that, I just stood here for a few minutes. I was like, what's going on? But then just hit upload, and that's going to upload for you. As you can see, grainy. And then you hit next. You do have the option to give a donation. Not today, sorry. Continue. And if it doesn't automatically download for you, you have an option of PNG or JPEG. For A+ content, or pretty much most stuff I would choose the PNG. And to pull up the final file, this is what it looks like. And the reason there are the white borders is because I took a screenshot and it wasn't the exact size. But this is the PNG without the background, and I just wanted to go up and show you the dimensions that it is 72 pixels, and then it is a pretty large file. I did use this for several of my recent A+ content, and after it was published, I did go back, and for me, it was not grainy. But personally, I always recommend once the A+ content is published, go back and double check, and just to make sure it looks good and professional and meets your standards and you're happy with it. And that is it. I hope you have a great day. Hope this helps.